What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. Oh yeah, oh, I was just about to get in front. And I hope everyone's having a great day when you're watching this. This one got tape all over the car. Tape on the back window. God damn. And that's one thing. A lot of people whose cars is messed up here. It's so bad. Like, it's so bad. Just get it from this truck, please, girl. There's no better day than payday. I actually just got paid today, so no better feeling than payday. Yeah, I'm seeing Beamers everywhere. I always thought Beamers were dope. I just never got one. All of my friends got them, but I just never got Beamer before. I don't know if I will get one, because it was just never my style. Like, I just never wanted a BMW, but if I did, it would be an M8 comp, and it'd be tuned to the moon, stage 2 downpipes. Yeah, that'd be a crazy build. I think this is one lane. I think that's why it's going so slow. I'm like, why is this thing going so slow right now? Oh yeah, it is one lane. Come on, take the light, take the light, take it. I hate being stuck behind lights, man. That's the one thing I hate. Nothing worse than being stuck behind a light. Should I just go that way too? Let's try going this way. When I recently went to get my eyes checked, they said is it 30/20 or 20/30? Whichever one. Basically, in my left eye, there's astigmatism, but it's not that bad, so I didn't have to change my prescription too much. But that's the cons of being someone in corporate that's on the computer 10+ hours a day. So, bro, traffic was literally moving before, and now it's like, is this one lane also? But yeah, traffic was literally moving before, and now this thing is not moving. Ooh, McLaren. That looked like the 650S. I'm not gonna lie, they have really good deals on those too. If anyone searched the market for them, I mean, if you don't care about having the car that everybody wants with the big wing and all that stuff, you can definitely get that build. Like, a McLaren, at the end of the day, bro, a McLaren is a McLaren. People can talk all the crap they want to you, but a McLaren is still a McLaren at the end of the day. So, and why is there traffic with a green light? And it's a weekday at 1:07. It should be, traffic should not be this backed up. This is crazy right now. Damn. Look how many cars is in front though. Sheesh. Is it a green light or a red light? Because I don't want to overtake this car and then be stuck at the red light. Okay, yeah, it is, it is. Radar's going crazy. I don't know if I've been down this way. I know I've been to the pier down there. When I went fishing before, they have this pier like right there, so. Ooh, if only you guys could hear these low-end burbles. Low-end burbles are the best. But yeah, Porsche's really going on me, man. I like Porsche, I just feel like it doesn't have the character. Like, you hear a Lambo coming from down the street, you know it's a Lambo, right? If you get a loud enough exhaust, yes, you can have a loud GT3 or a loud 911, you can. But I just feel like just the car itself, it just doesn't have the personality that a lot of these other supercars have, if that makes any sense, you know? So, and don't get me wrong, they're great cars, I just don't feel like the personality's there. Like, and to shell out this kind of money for these type of cars, you know, it really, like, at some point it makes you want to get a car that's like got like the personality is loud, it's, you know, obnoxious. So I've also been seeing some really good deals on black cars. I don't know, man. When it comes to black cars, it's kind of hard. Cause like black cars look so good when they're clean, but maintenance wise, sheesh. And those cars, you definitely got to get ceramic coated. I've been thinking about PPF, but bro, the price for a full-blown PPF, you might as well just get wrapped. But I've been seeing PPF save a lot of people from different accidents and stuff like that. So I don't know, I've been on the fence about it. I've been thinking of just doing PPF on the front, or maybe just the back, I don't know, but mainly the front. I don't know. That's how I am, bro. I'm like always on the fence about things. I research a lot of stuff, so I know that I'm making the best decision. So, but yeah, I don't know if I'll wrap it. If I do, it's got to be something crazy though. Like, I really never understood those people that get a car and just wrap it like matte white or matte black. Like, you got 3,500, 3K, 4K to put towards a wrap. Do something that is different that a lot of people don't have, or something that's gonna make your car just pop. So that's just how I feel about it. Like, you should be trying to get something that is gonna make your car stand out, you know? So sure. Man, the cops here are pretty chill. Even there was a time I had a photo shoot in this neighborhood near the water, and cop showed up and was like, listen man, take your time, I know you guys are shooting pictures or whatever. So a lot of people are really chill, you know. Just gotta watch out for those 1 or 2 cops that are like assholes sometimes. So over there is nice too. If you ever go in the back over there, it's nice. Real nice. I feel bad for people who do that, because sometimes you're in a new place and like, let's say you got directions somewhere but you don't know this area, you're not familiar with it. It's hard. It really I'm not gonna lie, it's hard, because you want to go slow so this way you don't miss your stop or wherever you have to go. So I completely get that, you know. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.